In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with layers in Affinity Photo. Layers are the backbone of non-destructive editing, letting you build your image piece by piece and change things without starting over. Let's get set up. Open your file, then make sure the Layers panel is visible by going to View, Studio, and choosing Layers. This panel is your control center. You'll see a list of all the elements in your document, each on its own layer, with thumbnails that make it easy to keep track of what's what. When you want a fresh surface for painting, retouching, or cloning, add a pixel layer. Think of it as a blank sheet that sits above your image. By painting or editing on a new pixel layer, you keep the original photo intact, which makes it easier to roll back changes if you need to. If your brushstrokes aren't showing up, double-check that the correct pixel layer is selected in the Layers panel. To bring in photos, logos, or graphics, add an image layer. This places external content into your document so you can scale, rotate, and edit it independently from the background. Image layers are great for collages, composites, or placing brand assets. Always keep an eye on image resolution as you resize so your results stay crisp. To position things exactly where you want them, switch to the Move tool. Click the layer's content on the canvas and drag it into place. You can hold Shift to constrain movement in a straight line, and use the alignment guides that appear to keep elements tidy. If something won't move, make sure it isn't locked. For creative effects, adjust opacity and blend modes in the Layers panel. Opacity controls how transparent a layer appears. Blend modes change how a layer interacts with the layers beneath it. Multiply darkens, screen brightens, and overlay adds contrast. Small adjustments here often make a big difference, so experiment gradually and watch how the image responds. To hide or reveal parts of a layer without erasing, use layer masks. Add a mask to the layer you want to control, then paint on the mask with black to hide areas and white to reveal them. This approach is reversible and perfect for seamless composites, sky replacements, and selective edits. Keep things organized by grouping layers. Go to Layer, then Group to bundle related layers together. Groups help reduce clutter and let you move or transform multiple layers at once. Finally, lock layers you don't want to change. Locking prevents accidental moves, paints, or edits, giving you peace of mind as you work. That's the workflow. With these tools, you'll stay organized, flexible, and confident while editing in Affinity Photo.